Good morning, children. This is your English teacher here. We are going to learn our first lesson, Don Quixote and the Windmills. Don Quixote and the Windmills. As we have seen our introduction part in our previous class. Now let us move towards the lesson. Now, in the text that we are about to read, the central character, Don Quixote, imagines that he is one of the brave knights that we read about in stories. He acts like a brave man and dreams of having adventures. His imagination makes him find adventure where there is no adventure at all. This leads to funny situations. So, what's that? Here we have a main character in the lesson. His name is Don Quixote. He is very imaginative person. And he imagined himself as a brave knight and dreams of having adventures. Mostly he imagined that he is on adventure, and which lead him in funny situations many times. So about that, what the story is, what adventure did he found? Let us see. What are the main characters? One day, Don Quixote decided to set off in search of adventure. But first, he went off to talk Sancho Panza. Sancho was a foolish man who lived with his wife and children. Sancho Panza, get ready. I need a squire to share my adventures and help me on the journey. Will you go with me? But sir, I am only a poor laborer. And how can I leave my family behind? So here, the two main characters of the lesson are Don Quixote and Sancho Panza. The main characters of the lesson are Don Quixote and Sancho Panza. Don Quixote is an imaginative man, and whereas the Sancho Panza is a laborer. One day, Don Quixote decided to go on an adventure. To begin a journey, he decided, and he went to Sancho to ask him help to assist on his adventure. When Don Quixote went to Sancho and asked for a help, in reply he said that I am a poor laborer. How can I leave my family and children? To that, what reply did he give? Let us see. Don Quixote was not one to back down. We will defeat many knights, gather many riches and conquer many kingdoms. In return for your services, I will make you the governor of an island. Just think of how grand that would be. If your honor will promise me this, I will gladly serve you. So what here? Don Quixote was not a man to give up easily. So he tried to convince Sancho by saying that we'll defeat number of kingdoms and I will make you the governor of an island. To that Sancho agreed and he said that I will serve you, that I will help you. They started their journey. What has happened we shall see in a next class. Hope that everyone understood till here. Thank you.